One Owner Car Guy, oneownercarguy.com. It's just a quick video to say hello and show you what we did to this truck. And I made a video asking y'all, should we take the bed off this truck? It had a 1973 bed, 73 through 88 or whatever, bed on a 70 GMC. Not cool. So that's what it ended up looking like. And we'll show you the process and how we did it with the tractor. It had some huge fuel tanks on it, so it was kind of a pain to do. Now this has got me thinking I'm gonna paint this thing, because I'm here to tell you, it's kind of cool. And look at this, this is the only damage. I can fix that so fast, it's pitiful. Cab corners like this just don't exist, man. And I could get a flatbed for it. I was thinking about getting a flatbed for it. I could sell it as a cab and chassis. I think, you know, it's just at this point, they would be nice to replace too. And it depends on how far you want to go. And I don't want to go real far, but I told Rich the other day, man, take those mirrors off. And I'll show you, look at this. They're god-awful, man. It made it look like a dang UFO. Got bolts and nuts and washers and crap all over the place. It's a straight truck. It hardly has any dings. It has no rust. It's just so clean. You know, just taking a couple things apart, this thing could be a truly unique little rig, and just the right bed combo would really give me something. All kinds of cars for sale. That Dodge truck will be coming up. All kinds of stuff coming up. It's all coming up. So, that's what it's about. I'm going to show you us doing it. You don't want to watch it? Don't watch it. It's just taking this thing off with a tractor. There were some huge fuel tanks, kept getting caught up and stuff, but it's off now. Let me know what you think I should do to it. Should I paint it? Don't take much paint to paint a cab. I get a flatbed, paint it black. Be pretty cool. Paint it like Tiffany blue or something. I don't know. God dang it. I got this screen now, so I keep... Whatever. Here we go. All right, we decided gonna have to take this bed off. Got the super long forks on the TR270B. And Rich has got this here contraption set up. It's all unbolted. And we're gonna pick this thing up and get it off here the easy way with our equipment. Our equipment. Make sure and check out my channel, lots of videos. I don't know where I'll throw this in. I'm out here to make a mining video of a pool that's having certain issues. Hey! That's it. It's saying something here.
Hung up on that side, just the forks lower.
Alright, so there was a wee little bolt on there that was stuck. We got 3 of them on here now. Alright, that's got it in there. We're going up. I'm gonna get back here and make this video. Rich!
This side. Good? This side's still down a little bit.
You're gonna have to go up more.
Okay.
I don't like doing it on this cab. Come back. away from the cab, so that's good news. Got these wires over here. Go up! Can you roll back? No, no, no.
Seems like I'm hooked on something.
Yeah, but I can't see what it is. Oh, I do now. Basically, just keep going up.
Up? Oh,
Yeah. There it goes. Hang on now, hang on now, hang on now.
not touching on the back here.
You just need to take it slow, and we got to get to where the thing's in line and not just picking up on the front.
Okay.
Well, okay, you're a ½ inch from the tire.
Okay. Up?
Yeah, up. Okay, we're going back. Does it? Okay, hey, tilt it forward a little. Okay, whatever.
The one fork's a little bent.
I think so, yeah.
Okay.
So tilt it up a bit.
Tilt it back?
Yeah. I think that's good. So we'll see if we did the right thing here. I think cab and chassis was the way to go. Like, look at this cab, man. It's in great shape. Just in beautiful shape. And that bed is just god-awful ugly out here. And it's got to be good on another project. I mean, I know I'm coming across another square body, and to find one that clean, that's a clean bed. All right, there we go. I for sure think this thing looks better with this bed like this. I'm gonna take that god-awful bumper off. Jeez, that's a bumper. That's a bed. Where are you going with it, dude? He's actually gonna fit through there, he thinks. Yeah, he's got it handled. Okay, that's that. That's the deal. That's the truck, man. I'm gonna have to consider painting this cab now, because that's the only area on it that's bad. And it would just be very nice to paint this truck.